Qui-Gon told me to stay in this cockpit, so that's what I'm gonna do.
Bravo flight, let's get in close.
I know we're in trouble, just hang on.
Our fighters are getting picked off by those vulture droids. We have to do something.
Hear that, R2? They need help.
Those turrets are proving dangerous. We need to take them out.
This thing's doing a lot of damage. We can take out those turrets, can't we, R2?
If the Gungans are going to win the ground assault, we need to destroy those signal towers.
Come on, R2. Let's shoot those signal towers. This is kind of fun. Take that. And this. There are so many ships. We gotta shoot some more. What a shot!
We have to cut the Trade Federation's connection with their ground forces. Destroy the signal antenna.
We aren't gonna stop this thing from the outside. We gotta get in to do real damage. Just like racing through Arch Canyon! I'm trying to stop! I'm trying to stop!
Those fighters that make it inside the battle station, target any and all power cores. I repeat, target any and all power cores.
All right, R2, we're looking for power cores. Oops, this is not good.
Over there, blast up!
Hey, you're right! Now this is pod racing.
Look, one of ours out of the main hold!
Woo!
The control ship has been destroyed! Look!
They are broken.
Congratulations on your election, Chancellor.
Together, we shall bring peace and prosperity to the Republic.
What will happen to me now?
The Council have granted me permission to train you.
Yippee!
There's no doubt the mysterious warrior was a Sith.
Always two there are. A master and an apprentice.